it, and I've had no trouble all that time. We did a modification. I'm interested in audio, as you know, or I assume you know, and I changed the bandpass filter in it. I've got 3K of bandwidth instead of the factory 2.3. We're using the same microphone that Gary is using, the Electro Voice RE20 broadcast microphone, and the audio processing is also broadcast processing, the Orban Optimod, the 9105A for shortwave broadcasting. It came from the transmitting station of Swiss Radio International. It was brand new, had just been installed, and then they announced that the station was to be closed for political and environmental reasons. And I knew the chief engineer, and I snatched it up for the proverbial song. Otherwise, they cost a king's ransom. So our station is rather old. We like the old equipment. I always say it has heart and soul. The amplifier is the newest thing, which is already coming up to 7 years of age in March. That's the FLA, what is it? HBLA 1K3 by RF Power, a small Italian company in northeastern Italy near Verona. They don't export a great deal. You have to deal directly with them, but the equipment is absolutely superb. It's a 1,300 watt amplifier. We're permitted 1 kW in Switzerland, and if you run a little bit over, I don't think anybody's going to come to arrest you at 4 o'clock in the morning. But we run it usually at about 700. We find that's more than enough. So that's our station here. Our present temperature 12 degrees. That's about maximum for today. But I guess we could say unseasonably warm, like so many parts of Europe. Gentlemen, that's it. I'm going to pass the microphone to Bo for a final, but I'm making this mine because I have to join the XYL upstairs. It was wonderful to talk to everybody and to have a right royal rag chew, which is getting, unfortunately, so rare on amateur radio. And as you can see on my entry at QRZ.com, right at the top it says there's more to ham radio than 59 QRZ. And that gives you an idea what I think of contests. Very little. FM0 FTX for a final. M0VDO and EW1 Mike HB9ASQ closing down after the next round of finals. Take it away, Bo, and good luck with the antenna. You can always email. Go ahead.
Yeah, thank you, Bob. Well, I have cited you. I think that's the right word when you are telling something from what another hand has said. I have cited you many times about that. There is more to ham than 59 QRZ, that's for sure. Yeah, it's going to be my final as well today. But this is really nice to sit in a ring here, spread all over Europe, and have interesting conversations and getting to know a little bit about what's on the other side of the microphone. That's really what I like. Yeah, I will study these antenna ideas more, Bob, that's for sure, and see what can come up. So I am leaving it to Gary and listen to finals over there, maybe both in Minsk and in the UK. So Gary, pick it up. Sugar Mike 0 Fox Tango X-Ring, leaving it to EW1 Mike.
The frequency is in use.